Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy. 大家好，我是 Jimmy 老师。今天是7年级英语第9单元第3课 Reading Lab Rules. Lab Rules. OK， 好，一如往常一样，我们前面会有一个简单的暖身活动。那再来，我们会给各位同学简单的复习一下单字。And later we will go into the reading text. 我们再来就会进到课文的部分，从理解到提问到高层次思考，最后我们会有一些练习的部分给同学们做。Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so now later I will give you a picture. I only give you 10 seconds to look at and think. What do you see and what do you think?Okay, so only 10 seconds. 我给各位10秒钟看一下图片，告诉我 What do you see in the picture and what do you think about it? 10 seconds. Four, three, two, one. Okay, so look at the picture on page 64. What do you see in the picture? And what do you feel about it? What do you think about it? Okay, so you see there are many students. Okay, students, what are they doing? Maybe they are doing homework. Maybe they are having a class. 好，在上课，而且这应该是什么课？生物课，对不对？ Biology class。还有呢，做实验。好，实验这个字 experiment， 实验 good. So these students are having class, okay? And where are they? 实验室 okay. 实验室可以跟着老师念一次，叫 lab, L-A-B, lab. Okay, so they are in the lab and they are doing some experiment in class, right? 他们正在上课中。好 so are they very hardworking or 很认真吗？是的，他们很认真，很努力的在做事情，因为很多东西都要很小心，对不对？ Be very careful. 因为实验室有很多的妹妹嘎嘎，对不对？需要留意。Alright， 好 ，so 你可以从图片中可以得知一些讯息，你可以得知再来要读的文本，再来要读的内容相关的讯息，这个东西就叫预测 predicting。所以当你以后开始看到图片，开始看到标题、大标、小标加图片，你就可以开始慢慢的去猜测说，what is this reading about? Okay, you can have a guess. Reading is a guessing game. 阅读是一个猜测的游戏，就是你边读边猜，边读边猜。好的，所以你可以猜猜看他会先讲什么，那再来就可以开始慢慢的印证你刚刚所猜的内容，这个就叫做预测。好 ，Let's have a quick vocabulary review. Okay, so where is this place? A kitchen or a lab? Lab. Repeat after me. Lab. And this sign tell you do not enter. So what is this? Is a pencil or a rule? A rule, right? R-U-L-E, rule. Rule. Okay, what is this guy doing? Is he listening to music? Sorry. Is he singing or listening to music? Maybe both, but he's listening, right? Listen to. Okay. Oh, you see this sign, right? So is this tell you to be hungry or to be careful? Be careful, right? Okay, repeat after me. Careful. 但这一课我们多学一个字叫 carefully. Carefully. Okay, what is the man doing? Eating or running? Running, very good. Say run. Run. Okay, what is this guy doing? Dancing or eating? Eating. Okay, repeat after me. Eat. Eat. Okay, what is this guy doing? Eating or drinking? Drinking, very good. Drink. Drink. Okay, what is this guy doing? Dancing or checking? Ah, checking, right, check. Again, check. What is this? Is it YouTube or test tube? Test tube, very good, test tube. Test tube. Okay, what is this? Is it a cookie or a crack? Crack, very good, crack, 裂痕,裂缝. Okay, and what is he doing? Is it playing with hands or washing hands? Washing hand. Okay, everyone say wash. Wash. Okay, 下课啦. Okay, so is it after movie or after class? After class. After class. Okay, he is lost. So he need to sing with her or follow her. Follow her, right? Follow. Follow. Okay, when you are out, when you go out, you need to wear a mask. So, is it hungry or is it safe? Safe, very good. It is safe to wear a mask when you are out. Safe. Safe. Okay, so now you're going to read the text. This is a very short text. 这篇文本很短。好，那所以一样，同学们有课本就帮我翻开到课本65页 page 65 and watch the video very carefully. Later, I will ask you some questions. Okay?
God 防疫期间，小孩在地上爬，你真的安心吗？486正气。
Lab rules.
1. Listen to your teacher carefully. 2. Do not run in the lab. 3. Do not eat or drink in the lab. 4. Check the test tubes for cracks. 5. Wash the test tubes after class. Follow these rules and be safe.
OK， 好，一样，同学们就是有机会的话，一样就是影片 channel 点进去，跟着影片多读几遍，然后边读边念，边读边念，那你的口语就会带动你的阅读流畅哦。好，那再来就是 answer the questions. Okay, I know you are very good at it and you are very smart. So now let's take a look at these questions. Okay, question number 1. How many rules are there in the lab? Number 2, what can't we do in the lab? Number 3, why do we check the test tubes? Why? Number 4, why do people need to follow the rules in the lab? Okay, I gave you 1 minute to find out these 4 answers to these questions. Okay, 我给各位1分钟找出这4题的答案在课本里。Number 1, how many rules? 有多少的规则在？ Number 2, what can't we do in the lab? 在里面有什么事情是不能做的？ What can't we do? Number 3, why do we check the test tubes? Why? 为什么要这么做？ Number 4, why do people need to follow the rules in the lab? 为什么我们需要遵守这些规则呢？好的 Think about it and try to find out the answers and mark the answers on the page. 也要找到答案，顺便帮我把找到答案的地方标注起来。And later you are going to tell me how you find the answers. Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now let's talk about these answers and these questions, okay? Number 1, how many rules are there? 5. Yes, so you can see the numbers here. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rules in the lab. Number 2, what can we do in the lab? Don't run in the lab. Don't eat or drink in the lab. So when people tell you, don't do this, don't do that, don't, it means you cannot do it. 你不能这么做。Number 3, why do we check the test tubes? 你看到那句话啦，他说 check the test tubes for cracks. For cracks. Okay, 看有没有裂痕。Number 4, why do people need to follow the rules in the lab? Be safe. Okay, 所以最后一句话跟你说啦 follow the rules and be safe. Okay, very good. I think these are easy for you. Okay, number 1. What is the writer's purpose of this reading? 同学们，当你开始之后读文章，除了了解这篇文章的大意，整篇文章在讲什么之外，或者是里面的一些小细节，老师问你的问题，最后一个你要来去判断这个东西叫做 writer's purpose. Writer's purpose of the reading. 作者写作的目的到底是什么？好，那就是整篇读完之后，你要开始推论咯。在英文，通常写作的目的有3种 P-I-E, P-I-E, pie. P means persuade. Persuade means make you believe this or that. 要试着让你相信这个东西 is a persuade, 说服。All right. Number 2, inform, like a teacher. Tell you something. I tell you something and make you know the information. 让你知道这个东西。All right. 告知，对不对？第3个 entertain. Entertain means make you feel it is fun and make you have some fun while you are reading. 当你在读的时候，会让你觉得有一些趣味在。So, it is the P, try to make you believe something. Or I tell you some information. Or 3, try to make you feel happy or entertained. 请问一下，这一篇文章是属于哪一种写作的目的 ？P, persuade, 说服，还是 I, inform, 告知，还是3, entertain, 娱乐 ？5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Inform. 没错 Lab rules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and follow these rules and be safe. This reading is trying to tell you the rules and how to be safe in the lab, right? 让你如何在实验室可以安全。Number 2, if we don't follow the rules, what will happen? Please think about the cause and effects. What are cause and effects? Okay, it is raining outside, so you need to bring an umbrella. 外面下雨，所以你要带雨伞。下雨是因为，带雨伞是所以因果我们就叫 cause and effect. Cause, rain. Effect, umbrella. Okay, so because it is raining outside, don't forget to bring your umbrella. 所以试着想想看，这些规则，这5个简单的规则，可以为什么？它背后的因果是什么？总不，你要想想看，所有的规则 ，there must be something behind the rules， 一定有东西在后面。所以思考一下。总不能就是盲目的服从吧 There must be why. There must be reasons behind them. Try to think cause and effects. 可以去想想 if you don't follow these rules, what will happen? 如果你没有遵守这些规则，会发生什么事情 And think about further, why do you need to do that? For example, 老师举个例子 Listen to your teacher carefully. 为什么要 listen to your teacher carefully? Cause. Listen to your teacher carefully. If you don't do that, what are the effects? 那后面的结果可能会有什么不好的结果 All right? Try to think about it. Okay, 我们试着讨论看看。Number 1, listen to your teacher carefully. If you don't do this. If you do not listen to your teacher carefully, what will happen? 就我同学说，可能不知道要做什么，作业会做错，报告会写错 ，OK， 可能有很危险。在有同学说实验室很危险 ，Yes, it is very dangerous when you are doing, no matter what you are doing in the lab, it is very dangerous. So you need to listen to your teacher. 再来，有同学说很贵 ，Yes, there are many expensive things in the lab, so you need to be very careful. Listen to teacher, and he or she will tell you how to do it. 没错，好，那2、3、4、5就交给你们做作业咯。那2、3、4、5到底就像刚刚讲 ，If you do not run in the lab, what will happen? Okay, maybe you will get hurt. 会受伤。那为什么会这样子讲啊？刚刚有同学讲，老师里面的东西很贵，很危险，可能撞到溅出来，同学会受伤。是的，所以 for safety, right? Yeah, maybe. Okay, maybe you will be tripped, or maybe you will fall down in the lab and make something falling out or something. 好，所以3、4、5一样，想一下这些规则的前面跟后面，为什么要遵守这些规则呢？那不遵守的话会怎么样呢？ Think about these causes and effects of these rules. OK， 想一下这些规则的因跟果，我们之后再来讨论。好，再来 questions about the text. What rules are there in the lab? What else? 除了刚刚那5条，还有没有更详尽的规则呢？ Why do we need rules? 这个已经不管是不是在实验室了，那还有没有？为什么我们需要规则？ Class rules, school rules. Okay, think about it. Why? 甚至有同学有家规，对不对？ Family rules. Number 3, what rules can you think of for your classroom? 好，那现在就是换你想想看，既然规则是有原因的，你可以想想看 how to make some rules in your classroom, for your classroom, to make your student and make yourself more comfortable in the classroom, 让你自己在教室里好，会更舒服、更自在、更安全。好 so what rules do you think it is very important in class? All right, think about it. 为什么要有规则？那既然有规则，我们要怎么做呢？ So it is your assignment. Try to think about the rules in class. Okay, if you do not have any questions, class dismiss. See you next time. Bye bye.